Welcome to our video of Jamaica's top 3 adult-only resorts. Sandals South Coast. Sandals South Coast is one of the best adult-only resort in Jamaica, because it offers an unparalleled luxury experience. With stunning beachfront views, private pools, world-class restaurants, and top-notch, personalized service, guests will be pampered in the utmost luxury. The resort also offers a wide range of activities and entertainment for couples, such as a spa, golf, tennis, and water sports. Hedonism 2. Hedonism 2 is the perfect place for couples who want to let loose and explore their wild side. The resort offers a relaxed and uninhibited atmosphere and encourages guests to express themselves in any way they choose. There are plenty of activities to explore, including beach parties, live entertainment, and a variety of bars and restaurants. Plus, the resort features a secluded and private beach, so couples can enjoy an intimate and romantic setting. Jewel Duns River Beach Resort and Spa. Jewel Duns River Beach Resort and Spa is a perfect choice for those looking for an all-inclusive getaway in Jamaica. Not only does the resort offer luxurious accommodations and amenities, but it also provides guests with easy access to the famous Duns River Falls, one of Jamaica's most popular attractions. The resort also offers a range of activities, such as water sports, golf, spa treatments, and much more. Guests will also benefit from a wide selection of dining options, from casual to fine dining, and can enjoy the nightly entertainment and live music. With its beautiful beaches and lush tropical gardens, Jewel Duns River Beach Resort and Spa provides the perfect backdrop for a Caribbean escape. For some fantastic offers to Jamaica or anywhere else in the world you would like to visit, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell.